First API call, 2 seconds. Second call, instant. This is Redis caching in Spring Boot. It's a one-line fix that will stop you from killing your database. Here's the problem. A standard API endpoint that fetches data from a database. In our service, we have this method, getProductDescriptionProblem. To simulate a real-world scenario, I've added 2-second delay. This could be a complex query or a slow network. Let's see what happens when we call it multiple times. First call, 2 seconds. The logs shows database hit. Second call, another 2 seconds. Another database hit. Every request hammers our database. For 1,000 users, this is disaster. Let's fix it. The fix is incredibly simple. Step 1. In your POM XML, you need 2 dependencies. Spring Boot Starter Cache and Spring Boot Data Redis. Step 2. In your main application class, you need to enable caching with one annotation. Enable caching. And step 3, the final fix. Go to your slow service method and add one single line above annotation cacheable with value products and key ID. That's it. This tells Spring, before running this method, check the products cache first. If you find the data, return it immediately. Do not touch the database. Now, let's test our new fixed endpoint. The first request takes 2 seconds. And we see database hit. This is normal. The cache is still empty. But now watch. Second request. Instant. No database hit. The data came from Redis. And third. Fourth. Instant. The database is now protected. The problem is solved. Caching is not optional for production code. It's a necessity. And Spring Boot makes it easy. If it was useful, subscribe for more fast production-ready fixes. See you in the next one.